FunctionFox offers 4 separate platforms, each adding additional features over the previous. In FunctionFox In-House, the focus moves to streamlining the project intake process while keeping the features of Premier and Classic. The biggest addition to the in-house platform is the request form feature. Here, you have the capability to create as many customizable forms as you would like to share with other departments in your organization or with your clients. Let's cover just a few things to know about the request forms and the in-house platform. First is that you get unlimited custom fields. These fields are used to create your various forms. With the forms created, you can share them using the URL of each form. Those using the forms to fill out the project requests do not need a FunctionFox login to create requests. Simply send them the URL and those projects will be created inside of FunctionFox. With projects coming in through the request form, you also have all the features found inside of Classic and Premier. Tracking time, scheduling out resources, and all the previous reporting functions are available. With reporting though, we now have 3 more options, which are cycle, capacity, and advanced. Capacity is simple and shows how many projects were started and how many were finished. In the case of in-house, started release how many project requests came in, and you can even divide this up amongst departments or clients. Cycle, meanwhile, goes into deeper detail about what the statuses your projects spend most time in. Here, you will see the minimum days, average days, and max days a project stays in a status. A great way to get a better sense of whether or not something is causing a logjam in your project's timeline. Lastly, we have advanced reporting, which gives you the capability of building reports and including custom fields, which cannot be included in other FunctionFox reports. Building reports, setting up custom fields, and your request forms can take a bit of time. So if you need any help with getting those set up or other parts of the system, give us a call or reach out to Stay Creative at FunctionFox.com. We'd be glad to help you and your team stay creative.